Well, while I was trying to like sleep back, something just clicked in my brain. Did she just say daddy's gone? Like, gone in what way? I called her back. I'm like, what do you mean daddy's gone? She said daddy's dead. And I can't explain how I felt that day. I was numb. I was true. I was numb because I don't know if I had emotions, but I know that I'm losing my dad. Like, I just lost my dad, rather. But I didn't cry. I didn't even show any sign of, weakness or any emotion. Then people started calling me. I started getting messages, condolences and all that. That was when it dawned on me that truly, I do not have a father and this man is gone, and I began to cry. And as if that wasn't even enough, 2022, I lost my only brother. I lost my younger brother, whom I don't want to go into so much detail how we lost him, but it was really painful, and it's painful to watch how he died or even discuss that. And I remember I was so angry. I had so much rage in me, and I had to question God. I had to tell him he's wicked. He's like, astaghfirullah. I was angry that I questioned God. I was angry that I asked him, why me? I still have scars. I still have scars on my hand of me punching wall and punching doors because I was looking for a way to vent my anger out. I still have the scars, and I remember picking up a stick on the ground, wiping my mom's grave, and I'm like, she's wicked and she's blind, and she saw her son coming. She could not chase him back because he was so young. I'm like, why didn't you tell him to go back? That is not his time. Well, losing both parents and losing my younger brother, he was my favorite sibling, even though I'm not supposed to have favorite, but he was my favorite sibling. Left a big scar in me, and I didn't fully mourn the people in my life. I only expressed the anger for that day, but I didn't mourn them. I just suppressed all the emotions I was having. Like, I kept on suppressing it. Whew. Talking about this, it's making me emotional. Talking about it is making me emotional because I'm remembering everything. I'm remembering everything and how it happened. It's sad, especially my younger brother, because him and I just finished talking, and how come